back with another video, and damn, I'm tired. But as I record this video right now, it's like 6 o'clock in the morning because we gotta go to the shop early as we can. So without further ado, I gotta load the rims up in my brother's Charger, and I'll catch y'all there. All right, we're about to pull up to the tire shop right now. I'm about to drop my car off, and I can't wait to get this installed, man. It's been a long time coming. So early. That's better though. Early's better. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, just dropped off the car, man. Make sure you go to Tire Plus, Total Care. And yeah, man, I can't wait to get my car back, man. Gonna get everything installed, the rims, everything, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all a bit later. Y'all, I just got my car back from the shop, man. Here it is, home safe, man. So let me show y'all the new tires and the wheels. I'm starting with the tires though, man. We are running the Firehawk Indy 500s. These are 245, 45, 20 in the front. And I have, look up to the back. I have 275, 40, 20 in the back. And y'all know the wheels. These are, once again, if you missed the video, these are called the Axe E30 gloss black rims. They look good. Damn, it looks so good, man. But I'm gonna show y'all one more last thing before I wrap this video up, man. Is this Charger right here, man. Make sure you follow me IG, certified 5.7. Once again, certified _5.7. And follow this YouTube channel, which is Ty Gaskin, man. Make sure you subscribe to him, man. And that's the wrap for today's video, and I will see y'all guys next time.